Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Libra placement. So this is your love reading ngayong month ng November. End of November. Okay, so yeah. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, you can message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so yeah, pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. Oo, so gonna make this short. Oh, dahil yeah, I feel drained. Okay, I feel tired. I'm sorry naman. So, Libra. Okay. Ano bang meron? Person mo. Okay. So, the Three of Pentacles universe and the King of Wands universe. So, straight tayo, no, na magsasabi na itong taong to is a player and inilagay ka sa third party for some of you. Okay, and this person, sabihin nating a manipulator. Okay, so tingnan natin ano bang meron sa situation. The Chariot universe, so walang improvement, walang progress, pero nandoon yung sabihin nating okay, going with the flow. Pero yeah, some of you talaga may third party dito, kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng pag-usbong or pag-level up ng situation. Okay, so ano ba talaga ang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? Okay, Libra. Two of Pentacles and the Five of Wands. So, this person is puro dalaay. Parang problem, drama, confusion. Okay, some of you, nandyan kayo sa one-sided relationship. Okay. So, tingnan natin anong next action niya pagdating sa'yo, Libra. The Ten of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. So, there's no opening up, no? Mabigat pa rin yung situation. Sabihin nating holding back pa rin ng mga kailangang sabihin. So, ito yung magbibigay ng way, no? Weight sa situation. Okay? So, hindi pa rin kasi siya totally magiging open. Kasi nga, hindi siya sabihin nating available. The King of Wands is in the reverse. Okay? So, anong advice? Oh my God, napakabilis ng ating reading. Okay. Anong advice? The Ten of Pentacles and the Hermit in reversed. So, I think, sabihin natin kung meron ngang third party dito. Okay? Doon ka sa sabihin nating alam mo na dapat mong puntahan. Okay? Alam mo kung anong sitwasyon mo. Alam mo kung anong kung saan ka dapat mag-fit, no? Alam mo kung saan ka dapat way pupunta. Okay? So the Hermit is in the reverse. This is something like regarding pagdedesisyon or pag-alis. Okay? So, the Ten of Pentacles is here. This is, energy ng long term, ganyan. So sa tingin ko, kung kailangan mo na, or kailangan nga na gumawa ng action, gawin na. Okay, iba rito, mas makakita ka pa ng someone na mas maganda, mas okay na relasyon dahil, sabihin natin kung gagawa ka nga ng action, no? Well, kasi kung nandito ka and tatry mo na parang mag-stay dito, mag-expect ng kung ano, wala tayong mapapala dito. Okay? Wala tayong mapapala. Excuse me. So, walang pag-usad dito, no? Walang, I think, panimula, parang ganyan. Walang mangyayari. Para itong laro lang. Sino ka? Libra? Libra ba? I don't know. Oh my God. I'm so lutang. Diba? Libra. Okay, so yan nakikita ko. And mas mag-focus, sabihin natin sa mas dapat. Okay? Pero kung ikaw yung legal, sabihin natin ikaw yung legal, ikaw yung may anak, ikaw yung may asawa sa kanya. Pag-aralan ng sitwasyon. Okay? Pag-aralan ng sitwasyon, Hindi palaging kailangan na magtiis sa kung anong meron. Okay? So, yun lang. Okay. Yeah, short lang, pero so, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for Libra. Okay. All signs, Aries. So, right decision, or they want to make things right. Taurus, they're going back. Some of them hindi pa rin maka-alis totally. Gemini, they're in tawag dito, a narcissist, a controller, okay, a liar for some of them. Cancer, so they're being cold and detached, okay, but I think kung nagiging ganan man sila, doon lang sila sa tama, okay. Leo, conflicts. Virgo, okay, so they want to be free in general sa situation. Libra, they're a player. Okay, a player. Scorpio, they're like confused. Hindi alam kung anong direction ng kukunin, kung anong meron. If you're not talking with this Scorpio, no? Hindi niya alam kung paano magsisimula, hindi niya alam kung paano gagawin sa buhay, para siyang bata na inaiwan ng magulang, parang ganyan. Sagittarius, so they're busy. Okay. Capricorn, they want to talk, they want a communication with you. Okay. Aquarius, so they're like hiding something. Okay, there's lies here. Yeah. Unclear thoughts, I think. Parang cloudy judgment, mga ganyan. So, Pisces, they're like bitter. Bitter. Maybe they want a relationship with you, pero I don't know. I don't know kung bakit nila hindi ginagawa ng way ito. Maybe they're like confused and pinipiling manahimik. Okay, so yun muna ang ating reading for you, Libra placement. So, yeah, thank you. Bye.